if your tomatoes are starting to get leggy, like this one, if they've been grown too close together, or you were a little overzealous and you seeded them heavy, they might start to get a little tall, a little lean. And you can just take the top node out, and you can actually root this once you cut it. You could root it in water. You can also root it right directly into the soil. And that will really help your tomato get thicker, get heavier, and all the nodes behind the lead node will then have the suckers, but then those will become your lead. And then if you're doing indeterminate tomatoes, then you could, or determinate ones, then you could start another one from this one, and then you're going to have you'll be able to stage your tomatoes to set them apart, and so you'll have fruiting on the first one and then later fruiting on the second one. But also, when planting them, if you take a long kind of stringy tomato, and you can either plant it deep and just leave that top tip out, and you can cover it all up, that becomes root hairs. You can take off the lateral branches. You don't have to, we don't always do it. But you can. And then if you're putting it into a container, make sure you water all the way through so that the water comes out the bottom. Because the roots are at the bottom, you have to get water to the bottom. Or you could lay it down when you're transplanting it into the ground. And all you've got to do is set up that top tip and then lay the rest in. And I prefer this way because the ground is warmer and they can get the water easily. And tomatoes really do want warm ground. They don't really want to go in too deep where it's a lot colder. For us up in the north, it's a challenge, and you can really stunt the root growth if it's in the cold ground.